you are planning to study in Germany, this update might completely change how you apply for your visa, and honestly, it could either make your life easier or more frustrating. Germany has just made a major shift in how Nigerian students process their student visas, and it's already affecting thousands of applicants. No more going directly to the embassy, no more submitting your documents the old way. Everything now has been moved to a visa application center in Lagos. So what exactly changed? Why did Germany do this? And most importantly, how does this affect you as a Nigerian student? Let's break it down step by step. As of March 25th, 2026, the German government officially changed its student visa process for Nigerians. Instead of submitting application at the German embassy or consulate, all student visa applications must now go through a VFS Global Center in Lekki, Lagos. That means you no longer go to the embassy for submission. You must register online first, then wait for an appointment, and only after that you'll be invited to VFS Center. The German embassy made it clear applicants will now be invited to the visa application center, not the consulate, after booking an appointment. So yes, this is not a small update. This is a complete system change. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is this VFS Center? VFS Global is a private company that handles visa application services for many countries. They don't approve your visa. Let me repeat that. They do not decide if you get the visa. What they do is collect your documents, take your biometrics, that's your fingerprint and photo, organize your application, send it to the German embassy. The final decision still comes from German immigration authorities. So think of VFS as the middleman between you and the embassy. This is where it gets interesting. Germany didn't just wake up one morning and decide to stress Nigerians. There are real reasons behind this move. First, demand is increasing massively. Germany has become one of the top destinations for international students, with over 400,000 foreign students enrolled in recent years, and Nigerians as part of that growing number. Second, the embassy was likely overwhelmed. Too many applications, long queues, delays, confusion. Sound familiar? So moving the process to VFS helps to reduce pressure on the embassy, speed up document handling, create a more organized system. In simple terms, Germany is trying to streamline the process. Let's bring it home. If you are a Nigerian planning to study in Germany, here's exactly what changes for you. The first is Lagos is now the main hub. Everything is happening in Lekki. If you live in Abuja, Enugu, Kano, or anywhere else, you may need to travel to Lagos. That's extra cost, extra stress. Two is appointment system is now stricter. You must register online, wait for an appointment, get invited before showing up. No more, let me just go and try my luck. And the third thing is more structured process. On the positive side, less crowd at embassies, more organized document handling, potentially faster processing. Let's be honest, this change is not entirely bad. There is a real advantages. Better organization. VFS centers are designed for high volume processing. So instead of chaotic embassy queues, you get scheduled appointments, structured document submission, clear steps, reduced embassy congestions. Embassies can now focus on decision making, interviews, security checks instead of handling paperwork all day. Potentially faster processing. When systems are organized, delays can reduce. But notice I said can, not guaranteed. Now let's talk about the part nobody likes to say out loud. Lagos stress is real. Traveling to Lagos is not beans. Transport costs, accommodation, Lagos traffic, we all know this one. For many students, this is a big burden. Another thing is additional service fees. VFS is not free. You may now pay service charges, optional add-ons, priority service, SMS updates, and so on. Now your visa cost might increase. Another thing is appointment delays. Even though it is structured, demand is high, so getting an appointment might take time. Let's simplify the new process so you don't get confused. Number one is apply to a German university. Second is get your admission letter. Third, register online for visa application. Then fourth, book an appointment. Fifth, wait to be invited. And sixth, go to VFS Center in Lekki. Seventh, submit documents plus biometrics. Then number 8, wait for embassy decision. Simple but requires patience. So, is Germany still a good option? Short answer is yes. Germany remains one of the best options for Nigerian students because many universities have low or no tuition fees, high quality education, strong job opportunities after graduation. This visa change does not reduce those benefits. If anything, it shows that more Nigerians are choosing Germany. The system is expanding to, handle demand. This is a major shift, but not a negative one overall. It's simply a move from embassy-based system to outsourced, structured system. For Nigerian students, the key is be informed, prepare early, budget for extra costs, follow the new process strictly because one mistake now could delay your entire plan. So if you are planning to study in Germany, don't panic, but don't be careless either. This new system requires more planning, more patience, and more attention to detail. If you found this helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share with someone planning to study abroad because trust me, this is information many people don't understand. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.